So guys, time to take this XR150L out on its first voyage. So gonna go to Trophy Club Park. It's about an hour ride from here. And then we're gonna do some off-roading. And we're gonna try and get the miles up and really give this XR, see if it's, this is what it's supposed to do. So this is a mini trip right here. Damn, my fuel's on. She ain't gonna even run. Ooh, check her out, dude. It's pretty much a trunk for that XR. I got her zip tied down, but then when I take off, it actually straps and carabines in. This way, I can access all this without having to unstrap anything until I want to go. And then these just clip down. I'll show you. So this is my trunk for my XR right here. On there nice and stable. From a little road trip here. This one's easy to get to, all of them. Nice easy access. Get in here easy. Sure, get whatever I need. And then whenever I'm ready to hit the highway, just clip these down so that you know you got your double. It's double taken care of, then it's zip tied down. Then you lock these up. These backpacks are only like 28 bucks on Amazon, and probably my favorite bags right here. Let me see if I can move the bike with it. Insane, dudes. That sucker's on there good. And I can still get in here and here without doing anything. If I wanted to, I could strap through here and not have to worry about these, but I kind of like them to keep everything up out of the way. This part may be harder, but as far as riding it goes, I've got plenty of room without ever even having to touch this thing. Got my phone here, my 360 cam, everything I need to make this trip. And when I fall off, tear off my groin, because I forget this is back here. Heck yeah, guys. The sun just came up. About to take off on this little trip. We checked the fuel, the chain, the hardware, checking this oil. I got a full tank, so I should be able to see what I can. Got my bag ready, helmet, camera. I think we're good to go, guys. Gas, oil, and old Honda XR150L.
Be safe, love. I love you.
Love you. Bye.
All right, love you. Bye-bye.
Six miles so far. I ain't got her going over 55. We'll see how she holds up. Oh man, so far made it to Justin. Legs getting a little warm there, boys. But now that she's warmed up, she's doing 55 a little easier. Maybe I'm going downhill or something. Ooh, city of Roanoke, Texas. I got some tickets I'm gonna go pay here in a minute. Then I'm gonna go ride a Trophy Club. Made it to Roanoke, Marshall Creek. Trophy Club's right over there. Just gotta pay Roanoke $585 for an old traffic ticket I had. So I got that done. Oh my goodness, guys, almost there. Tire. Oh, burnt my leg too. Goddamn. Oh yeah. Ooh, smoked old leg, Steve. We're good. He's tired, bro. Here at Trophy Club Park, riding around. Get up in there, dudes. Only went down once so far in this deep sand. Phew, made it out here. Shit, dog. I appreciate you letting me come through, dude.
Hell yeah.
I'll see you next time. I'll try and make her home without sweating too much.
Yeah.
75 miles, 1.1 gallons. So guys, this was the old XR's first test trip, and we're gonna take it out to Texoma. It's 110 miles there. Probably right around 20-25 miles off-road, 110 miles back the next day. Overnight camping trip. We're gonna do some fishing, some cooking, and some camping, some dirt bike and Duro camping. Also guys, I'm about to post another video. We're going to Red River tomorrow. Got the old 700XX and the brand new Raptor 700, both with the big 3 mods. We'll see tomorrow. Get up in there.